Welcome to the video for the Dylo 3-027-R002 and R003 SF6 volume percentage analyzers. These devices are designed for users to quickly and accurately measure SF6 purity without the need to compensate for pressure or temperature variances. The measuring range for both devices is from 0 to 100% with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% of the total volume on pure SF6 or SF6 nitrogen mixtures and plus or minus 2% on SF6 CF4 mixtures on the R003 model. The operating pressure is between 10 to 130 psig and can be used in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The power provided can either be 120 volts AC or 240 volts AC at 50 to 60 Hz. Please make sure the proper voltage is selected prior to powering on the device. The switch is located on the back underneath the plug. Each analyzer features a rugged housing with front and rear covers. The standard accessories include a 6-foot Teflon-lined stainless steel sampling hose, 2 quick connect adapters, a 6-foot power cable, and a durable transport case. Most of the accessories are conveniently stored on the device itself, easily accessed by loosening the 2 thumb screws on the back cover and removing it. Here you'll find the power cord and housings for the Dylo DN8 and DN20 female self-sealing couplings to male quick connect fittings. The sampling hose is coiled and stored within the case. Many gas-insulated equipment manufacturers use Dylo couplings as the SF6 service connection on their products, so only one of the supplied adapters would be needed. In the event that other fittings are used on the device being tested, we offer an analyzer adapter kit, which gives the user options to easily attach their Dylo analyzer to commonly used connection types and also includes a regulator for cylinder testing. Should an entire kit be unnecessary, individual adapters are available. For companies that report their yearly SF6 use to the EPA, it is essential to reduce emissions and account for as much gas inventory as possible. To allow tested SF6 to easily be captured, these devices feature a male quick connect coupling at the exhaust port. This can be used in conjunction with our analyzer discharge recovery bag that traps all exhausted gas, which can then be later recovered by using an SF6 gas recovery unit. Behind the front cover are the controls and display for operation. On the top right is the on-off button, and to the lower left is the rinsing valve. This valve is used to achieve faster response times by purging the hose of SF6 or trapped air from a previous test. And the center is the input port for gas sampling. Lastly, on the left of the device is a digital display, showing measured values with a resolution down to 0.1%. Operation of the device is simple. Power it on and make your gas connection. If dealing with a pressure higher than 130 psig, the use of a regulator is necessary. After connecting, open the rinsing valve for a few seconds to purge the hose and then close it. Please note that although it is not necessary to perform a purge, the rinsing valve should always remain closed during the operation. Moments later, you will notice an increase in the display that represents the percentage of SF6 in the sample. Tests typically take around 1 minute to stabilize on purged hoses and upwards of 5 minutes otherwise. Pressures around 10 psig will also cause extended test lengths. Please note that if using the R003 model, make sure the sensing switch on the back of the device is set to the appropriate carrier gas. The nitrogen option is used for pure SF6 as well as SF6 nitrogen mixtures. The CF4 option should only be used when measuring SF6 CF4 mixtures. The accuracy of the sensor is not affected by arc byproduct or moisture interference under normal conditions. When dealing with heavily arced gas, a dry air or nitrogen flush should be considered after testing to protect the measuring cell due to the corrosive nature of these byproducts. When finished, disconnect the service hose, power the device off, and store all used components. Should you need to contact Dylo with any questions or tech support, please have the model number and serial number on hand. This information can be found on the black placard that is located on the top of the device. We can be reached by any means listed on the following page. Thank you very much for watching.